not getting AdSense approval, or want to earn some extra money on your blog? AdSense is by far one of the most trusted ad networks into the market, and every blogger has a dream to get approved and run ads given by AdSense. But I have mentioned in my earlier video, there are very strict criteria which you have to follow while applying for AdSense. But if you get rejected, don't break your heart. There are a lot of still good AdSense alternatives which you can apply on your blog, and these alternatives can also run simultaneously with AdSense. So if you are having an AdSense account, your blog is already running ads by Google, you can add these ad networks also into your account. Only make sure that the ads don't overlap each other. So welcome again, and let's start these 5 alternatives. So the first one is very popular and one of my personal favorite AdSense alternative. It's run by Yahoo and Bing. If you are not new to blogging, you must have already understood I'm talking about MediaNet. MediaNet is an amazing platform, and it also has a threshold same like AdSense. You have to complete $100 to get a payout. They pay with wire transfers as well as PayPal, and the criteria is that you should get 90% of traffic from US, UK and Canada. Your language should be English. Apart from that, every other way, like the approvals are quite easy compared to AdSense, and the payouts are also very good. They pay very high, and they pay on the cost per impression, not on cost per click. So it's a very good alternative for AdSense. You can apply it with AdSense as well, and it's a great source. Second one is Adversal Ads. Adversal is a very good agency nowadays. It's been one of the trusted ad networks. People are using it very widely. Publishers are getting good amount of revenue from it. The only criteria to get into Adversal network is you should have a minimum of 50,000 visitors in a month on your website. The payout is $25 per month, and the first payout occurs after 35 days. They give it by wire transfer and PayPal both. So it's a great alternative to AdSense. So the ad network now I'm talking about is very popular among all the households. No, it's not Google. It's not MediaNet also. It's Amazon ads. If you're an affiliate marketer with Amazon, then definitely you should try it with your blog. If you're not, then you should first register and become an affiliate marketer. It's a very good source of extra revenue to your blog. So what you can do is, if you are getting good traffic from US and UK, you can run native ads on your blog post. So native ads will run like Stripe, maybe in beginning in the header of your blog post, or in center, or on the side widgets of your blog post. So you can run some ads on that, and imagine if people click on them, go and purchase anything, you get certain commission from them. So if on AdSense I'm clicking on ad, you are getting maybe $1 or maybe 50 cents. But if on Amazon ads, I'm clicking on the ad, I'm going and doing a purchase of $100, you are getting $10. Isn't it a lucrative offer? So you should buy Amazon ads, and it's Amazon, so we just cannot comment about any issue on trust and all. Definitely it's the best source. Try this one, and they also pay by wire transfer, Stripe, Payoneer, PayPal. The next ad network I'm talking about is very good for new bloggers who are very new into the blogging world, who have very minimal amount of traffic on their blogs and still want to monetize it. So you can go for Propeller Ads. Propeller is a very good agency for new bloggers. They don't have such hard area like MediaNet or AdSense, and the criteria are very eased down for the new bloggers. They can apply on them. Payout is $25. Once you reach the threshold, they will pay you accordingly, and it's a very good alternative. You can use it on your new blogs. The last one is not very popular nowadays, but still you can try for it. If your website is having a good engagement, people are visiting your website, and it's of a definitive niche. Suppose if it's a proper travel blog, it's a proper travel related website, you can offer a place to an agency or a company to run a particular ad. So suppose if I am running a travel blog and I want to promote a particular hotel, so that hotel can approach me, and I will be placing their small banner on my website, and this will be usually for 90 days, 180 days, and the payment will be decided by you. So you don't have to worry about the payouts, you don't have to worry about anything else. Like advertising networks, they are third party networks. So everything runs as per their will. You need to have more traffic so they can pay you, but in this case you need to have certain amount of traffic and you are directly in touch with the advertising, the company which is paying you. So this one is not very popular nowadays, but definitely it used to be a great source, and we are hoping that it will be again into the picture. That's all. Thank you. There is another good advertising network which is called pop-up ads. You can use that, but only if you are into the gaming or entertainment industry, then it's nice. Otherwise, if you're into the information blog, then pop-up ads just doesn't go well. They keep on just coming into the picture, so people usually then they just they back out of your blog. It can increase the bounce rate, but again it's a great alternative to AdSense. So if you are into movie downloading or an information or a review about a movie, then you can definitely go for it, or some online games. You can try pop-up ads as well. That's a great source. Thank you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected.